I'm Jivendra Manimaran. My metric number is 23DRM20F2009. In our business, our key partners are those play very big role and has the relationship that to ensure my business model with successful. The most obvious key partners for my business are related to supply chain. My partners are Ninjavan, DHL, and JNT Express and Postlaju. Moreover, I am using social media as my promotion for my business, and I am using it to gather deliver information. At the same time, the deliveries near to my premise will be directly delivered by me. By the way, our key activities are directly selling. Directly selling, also known person to person retail, is a business model where people sell product directly to other people. Direct selling refers to selling products directly to the customers in non-retail environment. Secondly, I carried out postage and delivery even in that two view two types. One of the main differences between standard and express shipping is the delivery time. In standard shipping, the regular delivery time range ranges from to 2 to 8 days, while in express shipping is around 1 day as the product is shipping via air countries. Express shipping is for urgent and quick deliveries.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ahiriza Bramli. My metric number is 23DRM 20F2024. Okay, next, value propositions. This sock is suitable for everyone regardless of age. Other than that, this sock is comfortable to wear and looks neat. Finally, it can reduce pain in the legs. This sock has a thick layer, and because of that, it can reduce the feeling of pressure on the legs. Okay, next, customer relationships. Free delivery to those living nearby. Other than that, the customer will get a voucher card after making a purchase. Next, we will give discounts to customers who regularly buy, and customers will also get a free gift with every purchase. This method is to attract more customers to buy with us. Okay, next, customer segments. These socks focus on people who love sports regardless of age or gender. Other than that, our items are more for those who have problems in the legs. Lastly, to those who want tidiness and comfort while playing sports.
Hi, I Idaham bin Faizan. My metric number 23DRM20F 2036. Our key resources is, firstly, we have must have capital, supplier, packaging, and courier. And our channel is advertised on some social media such as Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. Second, cash on delivery in the vicinity. Number 3, postage throughout Malaysia using Courier Malaysia.
Cost structure. The total cost is 216 for 40 pair. The capital for a pair of saw is 5 ringgit and at 60 ringgit for transportation. Revenue stream. The business is to make a profit by recording all outgoing or incoming data so that we can know the profit or loss.